I need you to pause scrolling, open YouTube Studio in a new tab, and fix one hidden setting that can completely change how the algorithm pushes your videos. If you're tired of posting and seeing 20, 50, 100 views while other creators in your niche explode, this is the video you watch and then take action on immediately. Most small YouTubers think YouTube just doesn't like my channel, but the truth is the algorithm probably doesn't even understand who you are or who should see your content yet. There is a setting inside your dashboard that literally tells YouTube, hey, this is what my channel is all about. These are my people. Show my videos to them. Once you set this up the right way, you make it much easier to get suggested, searched, and recommended right next to the big creators you look up to. Step 1. Open the right studio view. Do this from a browser, not just a mobile studio app. Go to the desktop dashboard view of your channel. This is where you get access to all the powerful settings we are about to tweak for your channel. Once you are on the dashboard, we are going to use YouTube's own tools to teach the algorithm exactly what kind of viewers should be watching your videos. Step 2. Steal the right keywords ethically. Next, you are going to borrow the right signals from creators who are already winning in your niche. Pick one or more successful YouTubers who already have the kind of views, subscribers, and authority you want in the next few years. These should be channels that make very similar content to yours. Same topics, same audience, same type of videos. Go to their channel homepage and click on the About or Description section, then hit the More button to expand their full channel description. In that paragraph, you will see a cluster of very specific words and phrases they are using to describe their content and value. Those are not random sentences, they are keyword-rich descriptions that help them show up in search and recommendations. Write down the most important phrases that match what you actually talk about on your channel. Think of things like your niche, formats, platforms you talk about, tools, problems you solve, and outcomes your viewers want. Number 3. Fix the channel keyword setting. Now go back to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left side, scroll down and click on Settings, then open the Channel section. You will see a box for keywords, which is nothing but the box you can fill in with channel tags, same as YouTube tags that you will fill for each video. This is one of the most underrated boxes on YouTube. Here, you're going to type in core topics you cover on your channel, strong keyword phrases you collected from those bigger channels, only the ones that truly match what you do. Related terms your ideal viewer might actually search for on YouTube to find content like yours. Avoid stuffing random buzzwords. Focus on phrases that clearly describe your niche, style, and value. You can also include a few names of big creators in your space whose audiences you want to be suggested beside, as long as they are genuinely relevant to your content. These names generate a lot of traffic, so being contextually tied to them in your channel data can help YouTube understand where to place you in the ecosystem. Add as many accurate, relevant keywords as needed to properly describe your channel, then save the settings. You have just fed the algorithm a clean, focused description of who you are and who should see your videos. Step 4. Rewrite your channel description like a sales page. We are not stopping at the keyword box. Now go to your channel page and edit the main channel description. Instead of a bland sentence, you're going to write a compelling paragraph that clearly states what your YouTube channel is all about, speaks directly to your ideal viewers' problems and goals, naturally includes the important keywords and phrases you collected. Think of it like this: if someone found you for the first time, this description should immediately tell them, yes, this channel is exactly for me, while also signaling to YouTube what kind of searches and recommendations you should be tied to. Do not just paste single words. Use full sentences and engaging language, weaving those keywords into natural human-readable paragraphs. Once you're done, paste or type that description into your channel's About section and hit Publish. From now on, whenever you upload new videos, keep reusing those relevant phrases in your titles, descriptions, and tags where it makes sense. Over time, YouTube gets more confident about who to push your content to and when. Why this one setting matters so much. YouTube is a giant search and recommendation engine that needs clear data to match videos with viewers. The keywords in your channel settings, channel description, and video metadata are some of the strongest signals you control. When you align all of them around a clear niche and audience, you make it far easier for YouTube to place your channel next to videos your target viewers already watch. By combining channel keywords filled with relevant phrases and strategic names, a keyword-rich viewer-focused channel description, consistent use of those concepts in future uploads, you give yourself a much better shot at getting recommended, appearing in search, and growing views, subscribers, and watch time faster than just uploading randomly. If you're serious about getting YouTube to finally notice your channel, take 10 minutes after this video and actually set this up inside your studio. Then come back and comment "setting on" so I know you're an action taker. If this breakdown helped you understand how to use YouTube Studio settings to get more recommendations, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell button so YouTube can feature this video to more small creators. Please do share this video with a creator friend who keeps saying the algorithm hates me. Also, drop your channel and your niche in the comments, and I might use it as an example in my future video to show you exactly how I would optimize it. Good luck.